Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have some messy tint on the back window and this window right there that I'm gonna be getting off. Show you all what I'm using. Right now I'm just using like a razor blade or window scraper or something and a hair dryer. Plain simple hair dryer. You just take the hair dryer, put it right there where, or it can work on the top of the window too, but wherever you have your, like wherever you just want to start, and then when it's gonna leave it on there for a little bit, and whenever it gets hot you start to scrape it a little bit until you can like grab it, and look, I'm just pulling it down like this. Got a hair dryer. See. Oh, look how satisfying. Check this out. So this is the best way to remove window tint, like old window tint or just any tint, window tint that is not right. And I do want to say I will be using Windex or some type of window cleaner just to get the glue off. This is a big piece. This is actually, believe it or not, my very first try. My first try getting this stuff off. I'd say it's working pretty good. Check it out. Look at that, huge piece. Check it out, I just got all the tint off, but still got lots of glue. That is a lot better. See it?
It's okay.
Oh.
Let's get that band.
Oh. That's not good.
I know.
Clean that off. Oh man.